Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about topic liquid crystal display or LCD. And today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology like LCD and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, LCD is a very common display device which definitely you have seen in your home, in your offices, in hotel, restaurants. So definitely LCD, you have definitely seen this device. This is a very common device which we use to display the things. Okay, like for example, if you want to watch a movie, if you want to do some presentation, so we can use the LCD. LCD stand for liquid crystal display. It's a type of display which uses liquid crystals. That is why it is called as liquid crystal display in its primary form of operation. LCD is basically a big leap in terms of technology they replace, which include light emitting diode and gas plasma display. LCD allow display to be much thinner than cathode ray tube CRT technology. LCD consume much less power than LED and gas displays because they work on the principle of blocking the light rather than emitting the light. We know that LED stand for light emitting diode and LCD stand for a liquid crystal display. So there is a big difference between LED and the LCD. LCD basically based on the principle of blocking the light, and LED based on the principle of emitting the light. Okay, so that is the main difference between LED and LCD. Now, here's the question that how actually LCD constructed, what is the basic rules behind it. LCD screen include thin layer of liquid crystal metal switched between two electrodes on the glass substrates with two polarizers on each side. A polarizer is basically an optical filter. This is the optical filter, okay? Optical filter that lets light waves of each specific polarization pass through while blocking light waves of other polarization. The electrodes need to be transparent, so the most popular material is ITO, indium tin oxide. LCD can't emit light itself. That is why it is LCD. Otherwise, it will be light LED. Normally, a backlight is placed behind an LCD screen in order to be seen during the dark environment. The light sources for backlight can be LED, light emitting diode, or CCFL, cooled cathode fluorescent lamps. The LED backlight is most popular, of course. If you like to have a color display, a layer of color filter can be made into a LCD cell. The color filter consists of RGB color. You can also add a touch panel in front of LCD. So this is basically the basic structure of the LCD polarizer on the both side, then electrodes, then conductive paste here, and then liquid crystal. This is the liquid crystal. That is why it is called as the liquid crystal display or LCD. Friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.